In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started on YouTube in 2020.
YouTube Simplified.
Hi, and welcome to Creator Fundamentals. My name is Dan Courier, and it is my mission to simplify YouTube so you and I can grow together. And if you want to receive notifications on content that can help you continue to grow on YouTube, make sure you click that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss a thing. All right, so first off, congratulations on wanting to get started on YouTube. 2020 is going to be an awesome year for YouTubers, and I'm so excited that you're going to be one of them. In this video, I want to give you some tips and advice on what you can do to ensure your success on YouTube in 2020. All right, first of all, I want to identify some pitfalls that you need to avoid, or you're going to sink your YouTube channel before it even gets started. All right, so the first tip is don't trade attention. Now, what does that mean? A lot of people call it sub for sub. That is going to another creator and saying, hey, I'll subscribe to your channel if you subscribe to mine. The reality is your subscriber count is meaningless in that scenario because it's not backed by somebody who's actually going to watch your content. Even if you see people in comments that are saying, hey, I'll watch your content, support me, I'll support you, it's all garbage. All it's going to do is kill your channel, and you definitely don't want to get involved in that. Now, the other pitfall is people who want everything to be perfect, and therefore they never actually get started. Everybody sucks when they start on YouTube. Repeat it. Everybody sucks when they start on YouTube. Don't worry about perfection. It's much more important that you make your first video and you upload that first video.
I said upload it. Go ahead, do it.
Too many people are crippled by the idea that they're not good enough. You are good enough. We all start out the same way without the experience, don't know what we're doing. It's okay. You need to get started. And if you don't know how to upload videos to YouTube, I'm going to go ahead and put a card up here that you can click on that'll show you how to upload videos to YouTube. But this video is more about preparing you to be successful on YouTube, and you can use some of those other videos that I'll share throughout this video to show you the specific tasks that you may need to perform from a technical perspective. All right, so another thing that you want to focus on is to be consistent. You don't want to put up a video and then walk away for 3 months and then wonder why you're not growing. In order to be successful on YouTube, you do have to have a regular schedule. Once you start to build an audience, people are going to expect your content, and if you are just randomly posting it, it's going to be hard to create an audience that comes back to watch future videos. After you get comfortable uploading videos, you really need to understand what you want to focus on. What is your channel going to be about? It shouldn't be a channel that is just all over the place. I mean, it can be, but if you want to grow really slowly, then there's no better way to do it than make a bunch of random videos that aren't related to each other. And that's totally cool to do, just don't align it with expectations of growing fast. If you really want to grow fast, you need to focus all of your content on a specific topic and keep your channel focused on that. You can't bring in subscribers on one topic and expect them to stick around to watch something else just because you're a really nice person. Some channels are built on personality, but those channels can take a very long time to grow. Now, the other thing I don't want you to do is just blindly upload to YouTube and wonder why your channel is not growing. There's all kinds of educational material available out there. 300 plus videos here on Creator Fundamentals that you can watch to start to learn how the different pieces of the YouTube journey work. It's really important that you remain a student and you learn how everything interacts and what you can do to help your channel progress forward. I've been doing this for a few years now, and I'm still constantly trying to educate myself and get better. And hey, this video is sponsored by TUBEBUDDY. TUBEBUDDY is your #1 browser plugin for managing and growing your YouTube channel. It's available to download for free. There's a link in the description below, or you can go to trytubebuddy.today and get started for free. And if you're getting started on YouTube, I highly recommend that you sign up for the free version of TUBEBUDDY. It is a plugin that you can install in your Chrome browser that's going to allow you to gain access to some additional tools that can help you grow on the platform. Now, when we're talking about TUBEBUDDY, that brings me to keyword research. Now, it's really important when you're growing on YouTube to have an understanding of what people are searching for and what your chances are of breaking into that particular topic. The better you are at that, the more eyeballs you're going to get on your content and the more opportunity you're going to have to grow. And once you've installed TUBEBUDDY, you can actually search for phrases that people are actually searching for on YouTube. And TUBEBUDDY will provide you some helpful metrics to see how many people are looking for it and whether you can compete with all the other people making content on that subject. All right, so I want to jump in with another pitfall that people are often crippled by on YouTube. That is, there's so many people that are constantly in search of that silver bullet, that magical thing that they can do that's just going to bring instant success. The reality is, it does not exist. All of the successful YouTubers that you see have all put in the work to grow their channels over time. And a lot of people in search of that silver bullet, they get really bitter and they basically just turn their nose up at anybody who tells them that it takes effort. There's no way around it. It's going to take work and consistency and patience to move forward and continue to build upon the brand that you're building around your YouTube channel. And as you move forward, there will be ups and downs. There will be times when your videos start to take off and it's extremely exciting and it's great to see your subscribers climbing and your views climbing, but there will also be valleys and you really need to be prepared for those. Success is not measured by the highs, it's measured how you respond to the lows. And there will be lows and it's really essential that you're prepared for them. Even when you're prepared for them, sometimes they can be hard to swallow, but you really need to find a way forward past those times when it feels like you're not seeing the success that you think you deserve. Here's what I like to tell people. In terms of metrics, don't pay attention to your subscribers. Focus on making 100 videos here on the platform without looking at anything else. And during those 100 videos, if you focus on making small improvements over time, make a video, upload that video, watch that video, pick out something that you think you could do better next time, and on the next video, try to improve upon that. You do that for 100 videos, you can find success here on YouTube. And hey, if you prefer a much more structured approach, I actually have a free YouTube course. You can go to TUBEJumpstart.com and take that free course. That'll give you the groundworks of the core principles that you need to be aware of to be successful on YouTube. I think it's awesome that you're committed to growing on YouTube in 2020, and I don't want the learning to stop here. So I'm going to put up a playlist right here that you can click on that gives you even more content to help you grow on YouTube in 2020. I'll see you in the next video.